all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Two people have died as heavy rains flooded some of the roads and localities in Delhi. A person's body was found floating in water near the road under the national capital's iconic Minto Bridge that was seen heavily flooded. The body of the pickup truck driver was spotted by a trackman working at New Delhi Yard. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has stated that he was personally monitoring the work to clear waterlogging from capital roads that resulted in the death of at least one person, allegedly due to drowning at the Minto Road overbridge on Sunday morning. Kejriwal said that the civic agencies were busy fighting coronavirus this year and therefore it was not the time for blame game over the issue. Prime Minister Modi assured all support to Assam in dealing with the flood havoc, which has claimed 81 lives so far this year. Discussing the flood situation with Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal over phone, Modi also inquired about the COVID-19 scenario and the ongoing efforts to douse the raging blaze at the Oil India's Bhagjan gas well. Congress demands Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat's resignation for his alleged involvement in a conspiracy to topple the Ashok Gehlot government in Rajasthan. Former Union Minister Ajay Maken said the Anti-Corruption Bureau of the Rajasthan Police has registered a case in connection with the audio tapes of a purported conversation between Congress MLA Bhanwarlal Sharma, Shekhawat and one Sanjay Jain. The Bihar government has decided to extend paid isolation facility in hotels to doctors and healthcare workers who test positive for COVID-19 if they do not have adequate facilities at home. The government would pay for the hotel stay, including food of all such frontline corona warriors. The Delhi police have joined hands with the All India Institute of Medical Sciences so that policemen who have recovered from the infectious disease can donate plasma to poor patients infected with COVID-19 and the problem of shortage of plasma for therapy does not arise. Nearly 2,532 personnel of Delhi police have tested COVID-19 positive and at least 12 policemen have succumbed to the viral infection till date. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi will start enrolling healthy individuals from Monday for conducting the human clinical trial of Covaxin, the indigenously developed COVID-19 vaccine candidate. This comes after AIIMS Ethics Committee gave its nod for a human clinical trial of Covaxin on Saturday. The Airports Authority of India has decided to procure 198 body scanners for 63 Indian airports that will replace the existing door frame metal detectors and handheld scanners, besides pat-down searches of passengers to detect metallic objects. The Airports Authority of India owns and manages more than 100 airports across the country. Top Air Force commanders led by Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadauria are scheduled to meet and discuss the situation developing between India and China along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh. Among key issues up for discussion will be the integration of the Rafale fighter jets due to arrive in India by July end. The Air Force will focus on the rapid development of Sukhoi 30 MKI and the Mirage 2000 for operational roles along northern borders.